The stock market can be very tricky, even for someone who is very experienced. While the potential is there to make plenty of money, unfortunately, things can go very wrong. Applying what you've learned from this article will help you to make wise stock market investments. Before you spend money on an investment broker, you need to do exhaustive research to ensure they're trustworthy and reliable. Taking time now to check out a broker can save you a lot of headache and maybe even significant financial loss in the future. Maintain realistic expectations for your stock investments portfolio. It is well known that stock market rewards don't happen immediately, unless you partake in high-risk trading, which can result in a lot of failure. Remember this to avoid costly investing mistakes. Creating a long-term strategy is the best way to make the most money when you are investing. It is important to understand what your goals are and to have reasonable expectations. Understand that the stock market is largely unpredictable in the short term. Hold on to stocks for however long it takes to meet your profit goals. If you are holding some common stock, you need to exercise your right to vote as a shareholder in the company. Depending on the rules of each company, you might have the right to vote when directors are elected or major changes are being made. Voting can be done at the yearly shareholders meeting or by proxy voting through the mail. Once you have decided on a new stock to try, be sure to only invest a small percentage of your portfolio into that one stock. If the stock ends up plummeting in the future, your risk will be reduced. Avoid timing the markets. The safest way to invest is steadily and surely over many years. Just determine what percentage of your income you can invest. Next, invest it in regular intervals and stay on top of your choices. Do not invest a lot of money in stock of the company who employs you. While it can fill you with pride to own the stock of your employer, it's way too risky to depend on it alone. If anything happens to the company, you will not only lose your paycheck but your investment as well. If employee stock comes at a discount, however, it may be a good deal. When you first start out, keep things simple as you invest. It could be tempting to do the things you have learned right away. But if you're new in investing, it is good to focus on one thing that truly works and stick to it. Although you may not make a ton of money with your simple plan, you don't risk the substantial losses that can come with inexperienced, complicated investing. There are, as was mentioned earlier, a lot of ways to protect your stock market investments. Instead of relying on blind luck, utilize the advice from this article to make big profits on your stock market investments. Please check out the link below in description to get access to amazing resources to set up a really successful stock trading business.